Shatkriya consists of 6 powerful cleansing techniques. From Jalaneti to Kapalabhati, these practices purify the physical and energetic bodies. Shatkriya.
Namaskar. Today, we shall embark on a journey to explore the profound and ancient practice of Shatkriya, also known as 6 action. These sacred yogic practices have been passed down by the enlightened yogis, and they have practiced these techniques as a primary discipline for their own overall well-being. These 6 cleansing yogic practices can keep your body really hygienic and healthy. Shata is 6, Kriyas are set of actions. Shatkriyas are the 6 transformative practices that cleanse and purify our physical and subtle body. These Kriyas are: first, Neti, nasal cleansing; second, Dhauti, digestive tract cleansing; third, Nauli, intestinal cleansing, abdominal massage; fourth, Basti, colon cleansing; fifth, Kapalbhati, skull shining breath; sixth, Pratak, steady focused gazing. These Kriyas are intended to purify your body of impurities and toxins, enhances digestion, increases mental clarity, and promote overall well-being. Let us explore the benefits and how to perform each Kriya. First is Neti, nasal cleansing. In today's world, air pollution is a major concern. Can lead to respiratory issues such as allergies, sinusitis, congestion, and even asthma. Additionally, many of us spend a lot of time indoor where air quality may not be optimal. Neti or nasal cleansing is an effective way to clear the nasal passages of impurities and toxins, allowing for better breathing and improved overall health. Neti can be practiced by using a saline solution, water and salt. So, prepare this water. Begin by taking water in your right palm, which is cupped. This cupped palm is called as Anjali Mudra, and tilt your head to one side and inhale the solution into one nostril. Allow the solution to come out from the mouth. Solution may come to the other nostril or the same nostril. Repeat on the other side. Some practice this technique using a Neti pot, but I would suggest you all to do it with your palm as it is more effective. Neti helps relieve respiratory issues such as allergies, sinusitis, and congestion. It also clears your nasal passages, improve breathing, and promote better sleep. Second, Dhauti. Our diet and lifestyle today often lead to digestive issues such as constipation, bloating, and indigestion. These issues can impact our overall health and well-being. Dhauti or digestive cleansing is a practice that helps to remove toxins and impurities from stomach and digestive tract, improve digestion, and promote better gut health. You can perform Dhauti by drinking lukewarm water until your stomach is filled and then vomiting it out. This technique should be done early in the morning with empty stomach. If person is unable to vomit plain water, then person should put salt and even sodium bicarbonate and drink the water. This particular method is called as Vaman Dhauti. Third, Nauli. Many of us lead sedentary lifestyle that can contribute to poor digestion, sluggish metabolism, and weak abdominal muscles. Nauli is a yogic practice that involves moving the abdominal muscles in a circular motion, which helps to tone and strengthen the muscles of the abdomen. It helps improving digestion and stimulates digestive system. Nauli helps toning your abdominal muscles. Fourth, Basti. Today's lifestyle and diet and long sitting all the time can lead to an accumulation of toxins and waste in the body, particularly in the large intestine or colon. This Basti or colon cleansing helps to remove impurities and waste, leading to improved digestion and overall health. Basti can be performed using a rubber catheter and a saline solution. It is crucial to practice this Kriya, and so should be learned under the guidance of experts. Fifth, Kapalabhati. Stress and anxiety are very common issues in today's world, and they can impact person's mental and physical health. Kapalabhati or skull shining breath is a breathing practice which helps cleansing the sinuses on the skull. It oxygenates the blood, improves focus, leading to reduced stress and mental clarity. Kapalbhati involves inhaling and exhaling short breaths rapidly, like this. Person can do 30 rounds of this Kapalbhati and then take a long breath in and then breathe out and relax. So do this morning as well as evening, which helps cleansing entire sinuses which are affected due to high pollution. In today's world, we are constantly surrounded by the technology which can really strain our eyes and impact our mental health. Tratak involves focusing our gaze on a single point, such as a diya or a candle flame. Hold your gaze for several minutes, then close your eyes and relax. Tratak helps to improve eye health, concentration, and it calms your mind. These 6 Kshatriyas offer a profound and powerful way to purify our body and mind. These practices have been passed down through the ages by enlightened yogis and with the guidance of an experienced teacher.